Hello guys, welcome back to SheCodes. So in this SQL series, we are going to solve another LEETCODE question, which is finding customer referee. Okay, so we have a table customer which has 3 columns: ID, name, and referee ID. Okay, here ID is a primary key, which is it will be having a unique value for every row. Now our question is to find the names of the customer that are not referred by the customer ID 2. Okay, so here you can see the example. We have a customer table and there are some customers which are referred by ID 2. So we need to filter out those customers who do not have these ID. So we have this output. So these customers do not have ID 2 in spite of they have ID 1 and null. Okay, so we have to write the query for the same. So as you can see, some customers have been filtered out. Okay, so when you're filtering out, we use a where clause. Fine. So let's start with the query. We are going to select name column. Okay, as you can see, we have a name column over here in output. So name column from our customer table. Okay, we have a customer table. Now applying the condition where this referee ID should not be equal to 2. Okay, as the question says, we have to find the names of the customers that are not referred by the customer with ID 2. Okay, so if we apply this condition, we will get only one answer, that is Zach. Okay, why? Because it does not, he is the only one who have 1. Okay, that is it is not equal to 2. But we need to filter out these 3 names also who has referee ID null. For that, I am using a logical operator OR, and here another condition is that referee ID can be null. Okay, is null. So this is the query. Okay, why we are using this condition? Because here some customers have referee ID null, so this will satisfy that condition. Now let's run our query and check. Okay, so our query is correct, it is accepted, and we got our expected output. Okay, if this video helped you somewhere, you can like this video and do subscribe SheCodes for more such content. Happy coding. Thank you.